This tutorial will demonstrate how to use Instant Access to complete Section 2 of the I-9 for new employees that have completed their electronic onboarding. To access the new employee's I-9, go to the Instant Access website at the URL shown here. This site may also be reached by going to the accesshr.com website as shown here, then selecting For Our Clients, Manager Login, Manager Portal. You will log in using your own username and password. Click on HR Action. Then Instant Access. A new browser window will open. If a new window does not open, make sure you have pop-ups enabled for the site. In the top menu, click on Home, then Programs to Run. Your inbox will display. Click on the link for the new employee for whom you wish to complete the I-9. A pop-up with the new employee's workflow information will be shown. Click on Run to launch the I-9 program. Here, you'll complete all the fields labeled in red. Click Next when finished. After you've read the legal terms and conditions, click I agree. A PDF of the updated I-9 will be created. Scroll through the form and review it for accuracy. As you review the I-9 form, please verify that the information you entered is correct. At this point, if you need to make any changes to your I-9 form, you'll scroll to the top of the screen as shown here and click the Change link to edit your information. When you have completed the form and verified its accuracy, you'll scroll back to the bottom of the screen and click Submit My Elections. Next, click Programs to Run to complete another I-9 or log out in the upper right-hand corner. Please note, for clients participating in the E-Verify program, if the employee presents a U.S. passport, passport card, a permanent resident card, Form I-551, or an employment authorization document, Form I-766, you must obtain a copy of it and send it securely to Access. Please contact your Access Payroll Administrator if you are unsure if your company participates in E-Verify, or if you have questions on how to securely send the copies. This concludes the tutorial on completing Section 2 of the I-9 for new employees. You may use the controls at the bottom of the screen to rewind, or you may exit the window if you are finished.